All right, you just downloaded the VM video editor app and you're kind of confused on where to actually start doing your cuts and join from. Now, what do you know? What do you know more, because you are actually in the right place. Now, today I'm going to be showing you, taking you from how to actually launch the app, from launching to creating a new project, even down to the export. Now, let's go. So the very first thing is to just quickly tap on the VM video editor app like this to launch it. Now, immediately you launch the app, it's going to take you to this page. Now you see a whole lot. Now the ones you are seeing right now, those are the projects that I've actually been working on, or the ones that I've actually successfully worked on. Quickly create a new project. And how do you do that? It's by clicking this plus sign right here. Can you see, when you click on it like this, it will still take you to this page. Now when you study the interface carefully, you get to understand that there's a whole lot actually going on right here. Then you now click on this new project where you can see 89 remaining. It was actually supposed to be 100%. In case maybe this number is will get you confused. No, it's because I've been using mine. That's why you are saying 89. But as in your own case, you will see 100. When you just downloaded the app, you see 100 projects remaining. Then you now click on this new project here. It will take you to this page again. Now, worry not, because I'll explain everything in detail. Okay. So right now you see all video, photo, live photo, memories, and a whole lot. Then you see recent stocks, subtitle, and the rest. Now, this all here comprises of image and videos. Why, when you click on this video session, it's going to take you to wherever, just videos alone, nothing other than videos is going to show on this very page. When you go to this photo session, you see only photos. Can you see? So, but for the purpose of this illustration, we're going to be making use of the video section to just create something really brief so that everybody will get to understand what we are trying to say right here. So for the purpose of this one, I'm going to be importing this one here. So, and to import is just by clicking on this circle here. Can you see now where you can see this check? If I should uncheck it now, I have not selected anything. If I should click there, I've selected something. So in case, let's say you are not sure of what you're selecting, you want to preview, you can just click on the video file like this. Can you see? It's going to play a little bit, then you check, and then you click on this add. Now let's watch. It's loading because it works with the file size. Okay, can you see now it has been successfully added to the timeline? So the next step is to get to understand what the interface means, because this is actually the editing interface. This is where you carry out your cuts and join down to the final product. So let's go. So you need to understand this place that you can see original here. When you click on it, this place deals solely with the aspect ratio, as in terms of the social media platform that you're working the video for. If it is for TikTok, you just need to select this where you can see TikTok sign like this. Can you see now? And then you adjust to the frame. Can you see? So this is just how simple it is to actually select that very one. And then if it is for Instagram, you select this Instagram format. It's still the same thing. If it is for YouTube, you select this. This is another Instagram format here. But for the purpose of this very one, we are creating for YouTube. So we are going to be selecting this 16:9. Can you see? Then you now hit this OK. Now the aspect ratio has successfully been set. So the next step is to get to still understand the interface. I'm going to be explaining roughly, as there's no much time for us to actually go deep into it right now, but subsequently I'm going to be explaining every of the steps that I'm going to be introducing right here in detail. So this tap to add music is where you can add your sound effects. Let's just add something. Can you see? You add sound effects here, and then if it is music that you want to add, you can see click there, and then you click on this music section, and then you click. You see I already have a good number of music lined up right here, since I've already been using it. So I'll just need to import this one. You click on that use, and then you click OK. You still add that sound. It's your music, as the case may be. Can you
God had told me I was.
So then after that, you go to this text. If you click on this text now, you see it's going to take you to this page. Then you can just add something. Let's type good morning for the purpose of illustration. Can you see? And then let's drop it somewhere here. Okay. Then after that, let's proceed with this PIP track. This PIP, if you click on it, it takes you to this page. You can add a whole lot. You can even add a video overlay. Let's say if you want to add video overlay, you can use this PIP track. If you want to add an image, if you want to add something, you can add anything, even stickers or shapes as the case maybe. Can you see them? So subsequently, I'm still going to be making use of this to get you understand, to make you to understand it better. Then here is the video section, the part of the mode where you add video files just like we did the import. But when you click here and you add, it's going to take you, it's going to bring that particular video to the front. And then when you click on this other side to add, it will take it to the end of the video. Now, when you click on this plus sign right here at the beginning of this video, this plus sign is going to take you to transitions. Can you see? So these are transitions right here. Then when you come to this downside, that this one deals with the master audio, the original audio, this volume sign you can see right now. And then these are filters, it deals with colors. Can you see? When you select filters, it changes the video color then until you achieve the exact color that you want to make use of. And then this adjust, it actually gives you the opportunity to manually adjust and color grade your videos using this very app. Then when you go to this stream, this one allows you to adjust the particular that particular clip based on the length. It works solely with the length. Let's say you want to trim it to 4 seconds like this, then you click OK. Can you see? Then these effects, this with some sort of effects. Let's say you are doing a kind of some sort of VFX related kind of effect and you need things stuffs like this, you can as well come to this FX to select your effect. And then this split now deals with, it's just like the razor tool in Adobe Premiere Pro. When you click on this split, you take the playhead here, you click on split, it's going to split the video into pieces. Can you see? Now when you click on it, let's say you want to remove this portion, you can just click on the split and then you bring your playhead here and click on this delete to remove. Then this cutout, it allows you to remove the original background and replace it with any of your background choice based on what you want to achieve. You can replace any background even without recording the video on green. You can as well make use of this cutout to remove that original background and then you replace it with something more beautiful based on what you want to achieve at the end of the day. Then this speed deals with speed ramp. Either if you want to make the video slow,
Somebody
can you
told me
see,
I
either
was
slow
going.
motion, or you want to make it a little bit faster as according to your desired result at the end of the day. Now, when you go to this volume, it is with increasing and decreasing the sound. Can you see? If you take it to the right, you increase. If you take it to the left, you decrease. It's just a question of adjusting it to the level you want.
Somebody.
Then you can as well use this particular space to denoise or clean background noise. Just like you just like this my audio now, I actually make use of this very effect to clean up the background noise. You can as well use this the noise effect to do that. Subsequently, I'll still show you detailed breakdown on how to actually do all that. And this fading now, you when you adjust, can you see? It will allow the video to start playing and the audio will be coming up gradually. And then when you fade out, it will as well
Somebody.
take effect gradually to the end. Then when you go to this crop, it allows you to resize the frame. Can you see? When you if you leave it at this original, it's going to limit how you crop. But when you use this free, you can crop any how you want. Can you see? You can decide to adjust it to the level you want based on your taste. But when you are using already made frames, it will limit your cropping ability. Can you see now? Then when you go to this mirror, it's as simple as flip. Just like you have mirror here, left, right, we have flip, up, down, and then this fit. Let's say the frame was not actually well maintained. Let's say something like this is a little bit off frame, and you click on this fit, it's going to adjust and balance the frame properly without stressing you. It's more like auto framing. Then when you click on this background, it will take you to this uh, page. Let's click on the background to see this BGA is actually background. When you select, let's say you're doing some sort of whiteboard animation kind of content, you can use this background to illustrate some simple terms or some simple steps. Let's say you drop this clip here and you want to illustrate with an arrow or something to show, let's say, the starting, the process, and the end. You can as well make use of something like this. Let's say you give it a background so that they'll see the transformation and the process. Then after that, when you go to this border allows you to actually add some sort of borders around at the edges of that particular video clip. Can you see now the file? You can increase or decrease based on how you want it to look. You can change the colors. You can decide to play around to change the colors to see how it works. Then when you go to this blur now, you can as well use it to achieve bokeh, or should I say portrait. You can turn an ordinary image or an ordinary video file, just a plain with a plain background, or a background or with background in focus, into a professional f2.8 or video, as the case may be. Then after that, you go to this opacity. Opacity allows you to do, let's say you overlay a particular video and you want the two of them to show at a time. You can just decide to bring this down, and then you increase the other, and two of them will be playing simultaneously. Then when you go to this zoom here, you can use it to fake camera movement that was not actually achieved on set. You can, when you select this zoom out now, this was going to happen to that video file at that point. When you select this zoom, can you see move to the left, move to the right? That's the case. Maybe it just depends on how you want the movement, or just that's why you need to be intentional about each and every click. All right, so right now, then after all this, as time will not permit, subsequently I'm still going to be walking you through details on how to actually get to do all this. So for now, let's go straight to the export. And how do you export? You just click on this blue at the top right like this. Can you see now? Then you adjust. If you are exporting for Facebook, it's just as simple as leaving it at this. But if it is for YouTube, you can adjust to 4K, and then you hit export. Do not lock the screen until export has been successfully uh okay. Can you see now it has been successfully exported? So it's just how simple it is to actually get to do your first run through using the VN Video Editor app. Hit on the subscribe button for more detailed breakdown on subsequent aspects of editing. That's going to be a whole lot of help in your creative activities.